thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sinking Spring to near Glen Roy, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Reading, Coatesville, Wyomissing, Downingtown, Kennett Square, Birdsboro, Oxford, Sinking Spring, Laurelville, Parkersburg, West Grove, Wintersville, Honeybrook, Alverson, New Morgan, Palmville, Glen Roy, Spring Ridge, Cochranville, and Mount Vernon. This includes the following points: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 296 and 310. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:15 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks and Chester.